Hello everyone, in today's video I want to share with you my personal way of saving time and stay organized while setting up my backpack no matter the scenario. It's a simple process that has helped me immensely and I believe it can benefit you too. Welcome back to my channel, folks. I truly hope that you and your family are doing well. Tell me if I'm wrong, but I'm sure that what I'm gonna say resonate with you. How many times it took hours to set up your backpack before getting out for an adventure? Finally, at the end, my medikit. Am I missing something? Did I bring my 5th favorite pair of underwear? I don't know. I'm sure I'm missing something. Damn, I forgot my favorite knife. I cannot bushcraft without it. And so on and so forth. The key to this system lies in using Drysacks to create different gear setups for various outdoor environments. Whether we are heading out for a hike in the mountains, or venturing into the forest for bushcrafting, packing out for emergency, or even embarking on a trip through a very cold environment, this system works seamlessly. Plus, Drysacks always keep our gear protected from the environment. To begin with, we have to consider that we know that the basic gear remain always almost the same. Regarding of the setting, we can take advantage of this consistency and streamline our packing routine. First, we need to choose the right Drysacks. When it comes to selecting a Drysack, it is essential to opt for high-quality waterproof bags that will protect the gear that we want to carry from the environment and ensure longevity. I tend to prefer rubberized Drysacks compared to the ones made out of nylon for the deniers. They look more sturdy to me. Look for different sizes to accommodate various items and prioritize durability. A 20 liters Drysack fits perfectly inside a 30-liter pack, leaving a bit of room for useful things we might encounter during the journey, or to store another smaller Drysacks with the gear or the garment we often use along the way. I tend to label each Drysack according to its purpose and the specific environment it's designed for. Once the mission of the Drysack has been established, it can be written down using a piece of tape and a marker. This allows for easy identifications and quick access to the necessary gear, saving valuable time during the setup process. Doing so, the chance of forgetting something at home are significantly reduced, promoting a more organized and stress-free experience. Moreover, the system allows for enhanced focus on planning and exploring. With the main gear already pre-arranged and pre-packed in the appropriate Drysack, we can dedicate more time to studying weather conditions, analyzing terrains, and determining the most interesting areas to explore, which is the most important part of the game. Last but not least, it's also a good way to avoid to carry everything but the kitchen sink. Because most of the time setting up our backpack becomes like when we go to the grocery store. We go there for a couple of things, and we come out with a shopping cart full of everything. Did it already happen to you? Using this system, I can be ready before I even think. For instance, I choose this Tasmanian Tiger Companion Pack 30 liters as an emergency pack, as you saw in my last bug out bag video. But it can happen that I will need a bigger pack for several reasons. Maybe I need to carry some of my fiance's gear, or maybe I have children, so I have to carry some of their stuff, so I need a bigger pack for that. And by using this system, I can choose the pack that fits the need first, grab the bug out sack, or whatever Drysacks you need, and put it inside, put extra gear on it, and then be ready to go. In conclusion, utilizing Drysacks to create different gear setups is a game changer when it comes to saving time and staying organized. Even if we are all aware that some of the gear that we are gonna put inside doesn't need to be protected from the environment. This idea is to have a core set of tools readily available in order to ready as fast as possible to start our adventure as fast as possible. Another reason that makes this system perfect, in my humble opinion, is that despite the weight of the dry sack, as long as there's air trapped in it, we also have an emergency flotation device immediately available. We don't have to waste time to create one. Another pros that comes with this system is, have you ever found yourself camping in a place where the water source was quite far away from the campsite? You can use your dry sacks or carry an additional one that doesn't take much space to carry more water than your water bottle does. You will increase the amount of water you're gonna have immediately available at the campsite without spending time and energy going back and forth from the water source, which is a great plus. If we planned a long trip or we are out for work with our car or our truck far away from home, we can store different dry sacks with different purposes inside the trunk of our car. We can also add a couple of backpacks with 2 different sizes, so we can increase the chance to be ready for whatever might come. If we are traveling with someone, a family member or a friend, we can share one of those dry sacks we have stored in our trunk in order to have more gear together, in order to be more ready if something major happens, or for just an improvised day hike, or to take a stroll into the forest or having lunch together in a peaceful place. Please try this system out and let me know what you think about it. Organize your core set of tools in different dry sacks that are chosen for different purposes. And don't forget to carry an additional one for future tasks inside your backpack. I want to hear what's gonna come out from your experience, which is the most important part to me. That's it for today. I truly hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in another one. Be prepared.